VR is a powerful training tool, and most organizations using it haven't unlocked its full potential. For learners, it's the immersive tech. For leaders in L&D, it's the metrics. Did you know most companies aren't even using the data their XR training programs are collecting? It's a huge missed opportunity, because when you look at the data behind immersive training, that's when things really take off. Here's why metrics make VR training insanely valuable. Number 1, you can track learner progress in real time. How long someone takes to complete a task, where they hesitate, what they got right. This gives you real-time insight into how people are actually performing, not just whether they finish the training. Number 2, you go way beyond quiz scores. VR lets you assess real behavior, not just whether someone picked the right answer. You can measure how well someone follows a process, handles pressure, or applies a skill in a realistic scenario. This is the difference between knowing something and actually being able to do it. Number 3, you can finally make data-driven decisions. With detailed metrics, your training program isn't a black box. You can identify skills gaps and adjust content and personalize training based on what the data is telling you. That means continuous improvement, not just one and done training sessions. Number 4, you can prove ROI clearly. Need to show the value of your training program to leadership? VR metrics let you tie in learning outcomes to business outcomes, like reduce downtime, increase safety, or improve sales. When you've got that kind of data, justifying your budget gets a whole lot easier. The bottom line is simple. If you're using XR training but not leveraging the data, you're only getting half the value. Metrics turn VR training from an experience into a strategic tool that drives real results. When you can measure success and adapt training based on data, you unlock the true potential of your workforce. We've helped companies like Amazon, Walmart, and BNSF use VR training to transform their teams, boost performance, and save costs, all backed by powerful metrics. Want to unlock the full power of VR training? Let's talk. We've taken our experience building XR training from the Fortune 500 and want to share how and why it works. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn how it's making a difference right now, and see examples of its impact in real-world projects. If you want to find out how it might fit your industry or specific needs, go to roundtablelearning.com and reach out to us. We'd love to answer all your questions.